In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fully interactive dashboard in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing sales data, tracking performance across multiple locations, or just want a clear way to visualize your numbers, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add Sheet at the bottom and name it Dashboard. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. A well-organized sheet is the foundation of a great dashboard. Next, click on Insert in the menu and select Chart. You'll see several options that help you visualize your data. For the first chart, let's go with a scorecard to display a key metric like total sales. In the chart editor, click Data Range and select all the relevant data from your sheet. Then, use the sum operator to aggregate totals. To make large numbers easier to read, switch to the Customize tab, select Scale Factor, and set it to 1 million. You can also add a custom number format and add an M suffix. To make the dashboard more dynamic, add a line chart next. Go back to your data sheet and add a new column called Month. Use an arrow formula combined with the text function to extract the month from your order dates. For example, select the range from B2 to B4977 and use to format the month. Then return to your dashboard sheet, insert a new chart, and choose the line chart type. Set the axis to month and tick the aggregate option. Under Series, select Order Total. Resize and position the chart next to your scorecard. For additional insight, add a table chart. Insert a chart, select Table Chart from the editor, and choose your data range including product category and order total columns. Aggregate the results and position the table next to your line chart. This setup gives you a clear, interactive view of your data at a glance. Once you've completed these steps, your Google Sheets dashboard is ready to use. You can now track key metrics, monitor trends, and present data in a visually appealing way without interruptions. It's also a good idea to add filters or slicers to make your dashboard interactive. Taking this extra step ensures everything stays organized and up to date. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to build a Google Sheets dashboard easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who might be facing the same challenge. Why not make someone's day easier?